Welcome, guys. Today I'm going to try to make some Jamaican fried bammy for the first time. I've always eaten bammy when I was in Jamaica or when I visit, but it's been 5 years and today I'm going to try my best to make some. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are the Baileys, and yes, today I'm making Jamaica fry bammy for the first time. Yes, indeed, there's a first for everything. And what I do is to just cut the bammy into 4 pieces, and then with a little tip from my mom, she told me to dip them into milk before I fry them. So this white liquid that you see I have here is just some regular milk. I just dip all the pieces in the milk. Don't soak your bami in the milk. It's just to have a little coating so that it's not hard when you fry it. Okay, so now the bami has been in for a little bit, for a few minutes. It doesn't take long for them to fry. Once I see the bottom getting golden brown, I turn them over so the other half can get, the opposite side can get fried as well. Okay, so the bami is ready, guys. Like I told you, they don't take very long to do. So this is very quick and easy. And these are my first set that I fried, and they look tasty and good, guys. Trust me. Yes, the bami them come out good. Them looking nice, golden and nice. Oh yes. So guys, as you can see here, the bami is easy to break. It's nice and soft with that golden crust. Very, very nice. Here I'm just preparing some seasoning because I have a lot of fried fish that my mom brought for me from Jamaica. So I want to make a sauce to put on my fish. So in the pot here is just tomato and onions that I am sauteing. And here I'm just going to add a little bit of browning to some water. I like to mix up my browning before I just like throw it in the pot. So that's just water and browning, and I'm gonna add a little bit of ketchup and mix that out as well. Just stir it so everything is all mixed in like that. So that's my sauce. And I'm gonna add this sauce to the seasoning in the pot, just like that. Yes. So I'm kind of like brown stewing the fish because they're already fried and everything. So I just want to have a sauce on it so that we can eat my nice bami them when we fry. Yes. And I'm gonna add a little bit of vegetable, just carrot. I don't want it to be too much. So this is good. This is looking very good. I'm gonna add a bit of seasoning as well. So this is my Caribbean spice, all seasoning that I absolutely love. And you know I don't cook without Maggi. Soup it up at all. And just a little black pepper for flavor. Oh yes, the pot is looking good. The seasoning is smelling so nice with this season. The sauce is smelling really good. Love it. Love how it looks. Now I'm just gonna be adding my fish. As I tell you before, guys, my mom brought these fried fish from Jamaica. and them taste really, really nice. So I didn't fry the fish, I have to tell you the truth, but the fish them taste very good. You know Jamaican fried fish. So I'm just gonna try to get some sauce on top of the fish, you know, and let it just simmer down. Okay guys, let's just take a look at the fish after a few minutes. The fish is ready to go, guys. Okay guys, I'm ready to share my dinner. Fish looking good, sauce smelling very nice. And this is just like a nice and quick meal to do during the week, on the weekend, whenever, you know, not too much, and it's very easy to do. I'm gonna put my bammy in. Love these golden brown bammies, so nice. And just like that, bam, my dinner is ready and looking so good and so delicious, guys. Love, love, love it. Can't wait to eat. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.